Qualcomm is up on deck, and it's coming down from 66.90. We're buyers at 61.50. Let it be. Here, FFIV earnings, VMware, VMW, up here at that 112.48. Up here right now, printing at that 115. There that is. I got a short out there. I got a short at 119.5. If it keeps going, it's at 116. And I got a stop at 119.70. I've got that $4 gap on that VMware. Qualcomm, 61.50 bid, $6 below the market. Once again, talk is cheap. I'm at that wholesale bid. If you want to learn how to get that drop down, then you better get over here because I know you ain't going to get it without me. So, there's another $2 hook coming on down. Qualcomm. Great short up here at 115.47 on that initial spike on that VMware. Printing right now at 113 by 113.26. 113 by 113.26. How about that, everybody? That's that super software company. Qualcomm at 61.50. I gave those orders out. That was $6 below the high. Now 62.88 coming my way. It's coming my way. It's coming my way. 61.5 is my bid. Here we go. Yes, you'll stay at 61.50 now. Hey, people loved buying it up here, but when it comes, yeah, we're in after hours, sir. 61.50. Everyone loved it up at the high. Here it comes. It's not there. And I'm going to get the report, make sure it's not a miss. Qualcomm. Qualcomm raises guidance from 355 to 375. They see revs of 18.7 to 19.7 versus 19.4. There's nothing wrong with this. Start buying it, Brian, playing on a couple hundred right here, right now. 62, 300 of it. Come on. Okay, now let it come down and see if it'll hit us. I'm going to post the earnings right now. Here's that FFIV. I'm short that FFIV. Let that be known. Drop it down to that 115, 112. They're coming right back, though. They hit that chip. We covered it. Here it is, right back to 116. That close at 124. You got prints down here. You don't believe it? Look in the time to sell. It right down here to that 112, 111. I got even a 110 bid. I've got a 115 off that hook, and that's a haircut and a half. Right there. That's a big-ass haircut. Of course, I'm down there to buy it lower. Let them sell it down. Let them sell it down. 61.50, 61.50. 13,000 shares at 67 went off. Somebody was buried in that one going into the close. The thing about the Qualcomm is 62.75, 62.75. We're going to have to get that. We're going to have to get that well, if you think you can handle it, young lady, you can get in. Just do 100 shares. So that way you can, get broke in the after hours like this. You're not paying $67.50. You're 5 handles below the market. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Let's go ahead and get that in. Speaker number 1 and 2, all you other traders over there. Let's get that off of that bottom. I got orders out there at $102.50. Don't I? You damn right. And we bought put options. We may have to get long. I got to find out more about the report. Everybody, MMT, printing down on that one. Qualcomm, it's just going to be all over the map for now. And VMware. VMware was a great short. Hey, everybody, put a limit order in there to buy this thing right here at 101.75. 101.75. 8 handles back. Went up to 115 on the short side. Coming down, 109.79, 110.29. Live after hours trading. I'm popping on that thing back up to 117.25. That's that price volatility that we talked about on these 3 major companies here and now. Right now, popping off of there. Popping with that short. Covering that short. Getting that long over here. This was a great trade off of that bottom. That 111. That thing there. Let's see if it comes back. It had a hook at 115, 116 fault. All right, there's your Qualcomm. And then we're going to have the earnings conference call, and we bought that dip on that Qualcomm, and we got short on that, and we're out of that with the big-ass profit. Hey, talk is cheap. Show me the money in the bid. Here's that bid. Buyers stepping in on Qualcomm.